morning, ma'am. My name is Trupti Panigrai.
My name is Prachita.
Today we will explain you blog application. So our project is titled is Skyblog. So basically, Skyblog is a compressive full stack blogging platform developed using the MERN stack, MongoDB, ExpressJS, React.js, Node.js technology stack. It provides seamless functionality for user to read blog posts through an interactive and responsive interface.
The application is deployed on Microsoft Azure Virtual Machine, ensuring high availability, enhanced security, and reliable performance. Integration with Azure service such as Backup Vault and Azure Monitor supports real-time monitoring and automated data backup, enhancing the system reliability and disaster recover capabilities. The front end is developed with React.js for dynamic user interaction, while the backend utilizes the Node.js and Express.js to handle the server-side logic and API communication.
Skyblog exemplifies the effective fusions of modern web development framework with cloud-based infrastructure to deliver a scalable and efficient blogging solution.
So, problem definition, there is a need to practice a full stack web development, front end, back end, database, and cloud hosting. A self-made blog platform like Skyblog helps solve this problem while also boosting learning and confidence. Apply theoretical knowledge in web development, deployment, and full stack integration.
Objectives: design and develop a complete blog management system using the MERN stack. Deploy the application on a cloud platform, Microsoft Azure, to demonstrate real-time hosting, performance monitoring, and data backup capabilities.
Technologies which we use is front end. The Skywalk project is developed using a MERN stack which include MongoDB, Express.js, React.js, and Node.js. Is a popular combination for building a modern web application. React.js used for creating a dynamic and responsive user interface. It allows developers to build reusable components that enhance the front end experience.
So in that, first is HTML, Hypertext Markup Language. HTML is a standard language used to create and structure content on the web. Second one is CSS, Cascading Style Sheet. CSS is used to style and design the HTML element. It controls layout, color, font, spacing, and responsive of the website. JavaScript. Third one is JavaScript add interactively and functionality to web page. Fourth one is React.js. React is a JavaScript library for building user interface using a component-based architecture. Fifth one is White. White is basically is a modern front-end build tool that offer a faster development environment compared to traditional bundlers. It provides quick server startup and hot module replacement.
Backend technologies. On the server side, Node.js and Express.js are utilized to build RESTful APIs that handle all backend logic and communication with database. MongoDB, a non-SQL database, store a block content in a flexible document format, making it ideal for a dynamic and involving data structure.
First one is Node.js, Express.js. Third one is MongoDB.
Deployment and cloud integration. The project uses Microsoft Azure. The web application is hosted on Azure Virtual Machine, which provide a high availability and remote accessibility. Addition, Azure services like Monitor and Backup Vault are used for real-time tracking application performance and secure data backup, ensuring disaster recovery and operational stability.
So, first one is resource group, second one is virtual machine, third one is backup vault, and fourth one is monitor services, fifth one is recover services vault.
So first resource group act as a container that holds all the resources related to the project, such as the virtual machine, backup vault, and monitoring tools.
So virtual machine is the core of the deployment, hosting both the front end and back end of the Skyblog application.
Backup vault to ensure data safety and continuity. A backup vault is used. It is store secure automated backup of data and server configuration, protecting against the data losses due to the failure and accidental deletion.
Fourth one is monitor services. Monitor services help track the health and performance of the application in real time. These services provide log, alerts, and performance insight, allowing developer and administrator to quickly detect and resolve issue, ensuring high uptime and smooth operation.
Last one is recovery service vault. It's complement the backup vault by establishing disaster recovery solution. So features of our websites are its user-friendly interface,
Admin blog management,
post creation with media support,
real time updates,
MongoDB integration,
cloud deployment,
responsive design.
scalable architecture. Testing and results. Responsive design testing validated that the layout adjusts correctly on device like desktop, tablet, and smartphone.
Deployment testing on Microsoft Azure confirm that app is accessible online with the proper performance. Database testing ensure that MongoDB is correctly store, update, and retrieve log data and user credential.
Cross-browser testing ensure that the application works smoothly on different browsers like Chrome, Firefox, and Edge. Function testing was carried out to ensure each feature worked as expected, including block creation, editing, deleting, etc.
Conclusion. So basically, our vision is to successfully develop a functional and responsive blogging platform using the MERN stack and learn to deploy a real world project on cloud platform for a live access.
So, using the MERN stack along with Microsoft Azure, we are able to design, develop, and deploy a fully functional application that meet all essential requirements. The system allow user to manage blog content effectively and provide a smooth and interactive user experience. So the deployment on Azure adds reliability, data backup, and monitoring features, making the performance suitable for real world use.
Future scopes, implementing user login and registration features to allow personalized blogging. Scalability will become an issue. So, with higher user traffic, unless optimized further, implementing adding support for multimedia content such as images, videos, add support for rich content creation using a tool like Quill, JS, and Markdown editors. Deploying the application using containerization tools like Docker for better scalability.
Hosting front-end and back-end separately using Azure App Services for modular deployment. Allow user to log in using Google, GitHub, or Facebook for faster and more secure authentication. Allow registered user, not just admin, to write and submit blog posts for review or direct publishing. Enhance navigation with filtering by categories, tag, date, or author. Notify user about new comments, blog posts, likes, or account activity via email.
Expand user base by offering blocks and UI in multiple language. Improve server-side rendering and metadata for a better search engine indexing and visibility. So, this is the view of our website.
So basically, in our website, there is a dashboard is there. So this is the admin.
Admin dashboard.
So here we can add post. So in this we can choose file. So basically now, so we have to we can add here profile over, then we can give an title also, then we have to write here descript, then we have basically submit. So here, so in this type we can post our new blog,
Successfully create our new
new
blog.
blog. So here we can see all user. So those who are creating
Account.
account. So in this we can see here is all post. So in this screen appearing all our all post we are what we are posted,
which admin can delete or update it.
also commenting. So this is our website.
Website overview, how it looks. It's running on port 14.81.30 to 35.233.
Yes.
Thank you.